everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to change Revolut app PIN login code. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Revolut application and then log into your account if needed. Once you're here, just tap on your profile at the top left corner, this one. And then once you do that, you will be redirected to this page where you can see the security and privacy. So just tap on that one. And then once you tap on that, you will be redirected to a page where you can select change PIN. But as you can see in my screen right now, it does not show any personal information. But basically in this page, you can select change PIN. You can look for the option to change your PIN. It might say card settings or similar to that. And then you will prompt to confirm your identity via passcode or biometrics. Then you just have to enter your new 4-digit PIN. Then, not every time, but you can verify at an ATM in some cases. Revolut may require you to verify the new PIN by making a small transaction, like a balance check at an ATM. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!